Live from Ottawa, it's Kooky Idol Canada, the results show, coming to you on a Sunday. Hello, welcome to Kooky Idol Canada. Today we're going to reveal who is at the top of the judges' leaderboard, who is going home. But first, we have some sad news. Since the last show, LaChuz recently fell down the steps, breaking her leg. And therefore, she will not be allowed in the competition anymore. Now, LaChuz will talk. So, LaChuz, tell us about how that was. Well, it's pretty bad falling down those stairs. It's sad that I can't sing Kooky Idol anymore, but I'd like to congratulate all the other people and hope they win. Okay, thank you, LaChuz. Now let's get to revealing who is on the top and the bottom of the judges' leaderboard. At number 6 is LaChuz with 20, but she's already out, so it doesn't really matter. At number 5 is Voltaire with 21. At number 4 is Buckthorn with 23. At number 3 is Buddy with 24. And at number 1, it's a tie between Paloma and Snooki. Okay, since LaChuz did break her foot this week, well, I'm happy to say that none of you are going home this week. Woo! Oh, wait, never mind. Just kidding. Punked ya. Okay, you just got punked. Okay, we're going to get right down to it. Who's gonna stay safe, and then we'll reveal the bottom 2. The 3 people that are safe this week are Snooki, Paloma, and Voltaire. You're safe. The bottom 2 are Buddy and Buckthorn with 0 votes. Even though they did pretty well on the judges' leaderboard, they're still not doing well. The person going home this week is Buddy. Buddy, what do you have to say? Well, it's a fun time here. I know I wasn't going to make it far, but it was still pretty fun. Thank you, everyone, and good luck to the rest of the people still going on here with Kooky Idol Canada. Okay. Thank you for watching today's result show. To close it off, we are going to have a special duet from the judges. Okay, hit it. Bum chicka eba, I do it in banana chimba. Yo, it's Batman right here, party into town. I got him around. Bum chicka oh, on Kooky Idol, Catch us next week, only on KRIC 123.56.